Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial we're going to practice some of the lessons that we've had so far, and we're going to use Nathaniel Bassey's Adonai. Adonai. So we want to first of all find the key. I didn't play the guitar before singing, so I'm going to look for the key. Okay, I knew the key already. So the key, we have to find it. Adonai, it ends on the la note. So if you get the la note, it means that it's going to be the E. Now that we know the key, we want to make it simple. Playing in E, that means you're going to play this way. And I don't think it's going to be comfortable as a beginner, so I want to take it step by step. So we're going to use a couple for we're going to use the C shape for now. Then we'll go to the G, then maybe come back to the E, the A, then to the E. So let's take it step by step. So once we are using the couple, I'm going to call the names of the chords, not the exact name of the chord, but the chord in terms of the couple. So A minor, meanwhile, it's not an A minor. So that's what we're going to do for now. A minor, A minor, G, A minor, E minor, F, G. Are you okay? So let's go again. Again. Thank you for watching this far. We'll continue with this same tutorial. I'm going to continue from the rising of the sun to the setting of the same. Your name is to be hallowed. Adonai. So we'll continue from here, then we'll move to another key, then we know how to play in any other key. My main goal is to help you to avoid the use of couple all the time, especially when you're playing a lead guitar. You're not supposed to depend on the couple. Yeah. So thank you. See you in the next video. See you.